Anil Vasantrao Deshmukh currently serves as a Minister of Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Protection in the Government of Maharashtra, India from 7th November 2009. He has represented Katol, Nagpur district on behalf of the Nationalist Congress Party in Maharashtra Legislative Assembly from 1995. He has been a cabinet member in the Indian state of Maharashtra for a record 5 times since 1995. He holds a Master of Science degree in Agriculture from Nagpur University. Sir, we will now request you to come on the dais and share few words with our students.
Honorable Sri Subrahmanyam Ji, Director NIC, Honorable Sri Muralidharan Ji, Deputy General Manager Bank of India, Vidyadhar Ji Tembe, Aniket Maheshwari, Gayatri Kulkarni, and dear students. First of all, I am very much thankful to you for inviting me for this important seminar. This 3 days corporate meet will give you the opportunity to read, to listen, and to give some important tips. Because very important speakers are here on the dais who are going to share with you the professional knowledge. And I appreciate the special effort has been taken by the AIMS career management team to enhance the employability and by creating eminent and competent workforce. And all are aware that New India is fueled by its robust democracy, its favorable demography, seek to make the transition from the developing nation to developed nation. The total population of the world is around 6.2 billion, and out of that 6.2 billion, and out of that about 1.2 billion are Indians. All are aware that particularly India and China are rapidly developing countries, and particularly India has got the added advantage because of the skilled talent, language. We don't have any language problem here in India. Young population, which is not there in China. Good approach towards innovation and creativity, and very importantly, middle class population is growing fast in India, which is definitely a growth booster. When I inquired from Mr. Tembe how many students are there from Maharashtra and how many students are there from out of Maharashtra, he told me that about 80% students are there from outside Maharashtra. It's good that students from the different states are coming for education in Maharashtra. And nowadays mobility is very important. Mobility is very important not only to discover the opportunities discover the opportunity elsewhere, but at the time also to appreciate better what your hometown has. You see that many Indian students, they go to different states for job or they go to different countries for job. You take the example of Microsoft, where about 38% of the Indian employees are there. You take the example of NASA, where about 36% of the Indian scientists are there. You take the example of Intel, where about 17% of the employees are of Indian origin in USA. In the US also about 38% doctors are of Indian origin. So it is always better to go to a different destination for a job opportunity or for study. That's why when I inquired from Mr. Vidyadhar, I'm very happy to see that काफी लोग जो बिहार से आपने बताया बिहार से आए हुए, यूपी से आए हुए यहाँ पे पढ़ने के लिए यहाँ पे आए, और खास करके जो मोबिलिटी इंडिया में आज सबसे ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए, पढ़ाई के लिए आज खास करके महाराष्ट्र में आते हैं, बिकॉज दी महाराष्ट्र इज दी लीडिंग स्टेट, पॉजिटिव स्टेट इन ईच एंड एवरी फील्ड. महाराष्ट्र के बाद में नंबर लगता है दिल्ली, बाद में यूपी। ये 2-3 स्टेट में अच्छा एजुकेशन, अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है। मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि बिहार से भी काफी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे आए। एक खास करके मैं बोलना चाहूंगा बिहार के बारे में, और बिहार भले ही बैकवर्ड स्टेट हो डेवलपमेंट के बारे में, लेकिन आप कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में बच्ची चीजें देखिए, जो भी यूपीएससी की एग्जाम होती है उसमें यूपी के एग्जाम में आप देखिए कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स पूरे इंडिया में बिहार से आते हैं। बिहार, देन यूपी, देन अदर स्टेट। तो वहां पे इस प्रकार से उनको शुरू से बिहार के जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं हमने देखा नजदीक से, इस प्रकार से उनको the moment they pass graduation, the moment they pass their matriculation, they are trained for the competitive exams। और उसके कारण काफी बड़ी तादाद में बिहार के स्टूडेंट्स, खास करके जो यूपीएससी की एग्जाम है उसमें बड़ी तादाद में उसमें पास होते हैं। महाराष्ट्र में आपको बताऊं, करीबन आज महाराष्ट्र में जितने आईएएस और आईपीएस जो अधिकारी है उसमें से करीबन 40% अधिकारी ये बिहार के हैं। ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है कि इतने दूर से सब स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ाई के लिए आते हैं और अलग अलग फील्ड में काम करते हैं। ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है। मैं एक ही चीज यहाँ पे कहना चाहूंगा कि आप सब एनडीए के स्टूडेंट्स हैं। आप मुझे यही बताएं कि आप कोई पॉलिटिक्स में आने वाले नहीं करते, क्योंकि नाउअडेज पॉलिटिशियंस आर आइदर दे आर इट इज प्रूवन दैट दे आर आइदर on bail or in jail. But my dear friend, it is not the case. You find many bad and good people in every profession. अच्छे लोग भी आपको अनेक प्रोफेशन में मिलेंगे। उसी प्रकार पॉलिटिक्स में भी अच्छे लोग रहते हैं, बुरे लोग रहते हैं। लेकिन जिस हिसाब से पॉलिटिशियन को, जिस नजरिए से पॉलिटिशियन को देखा जाता है, मेरी दरख्वास्त आपसे रहेगी कि ठीक है आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा पढ़े, लेकिन पॉलिटिक्स में भी आना बहुत जरूरी है। You know, the good people should come in politics and try to govern the politics and do the good governance. It is very important. In today's seminar, I'm happy that the students have taken the initiative to organize this important seminar. There were so many challenges before the managers as are in the 21st century. Not only the complexion of the workforce changing quickly, but the environmental risk, rapid technological changes, globalization process acting on organization, recession, severe competitive environment, and increasing demand on organization by various stakeholders make the role of modern managers complex and stressful. In the era of globalization, students of management will have to develop a skill of quick learning and quick decision making. As managers, one will be exposed to a business without physical boundaries of the nation. You will have to develop skill to work with people with diverse culture and work practices. I am basically from government management, working in government since very long. I am in charge of the Department Food and Civil Supply, which caters about in our department we cater about 8 crore of people within food grains in urban and rural area, and this is very massive change. And you know at present about I want to tell you about our department in brief. In Maharashtra, there are about 1 lakh KBC shop and food grain shops in Maharashtra, which is called in Marathi Swasth Dhanya Dukan. And to keep control over all these 1 lakh shops over Maharashtra, manually it is very difficult. So we are trying to introduce a new technology to monitor all these food media systems, that is a food system in Maharashtra. And for that we are going to introduce in our PDF system the biometric configuration of the whole system so that it should be effectively monitored. And I am sure with this latest technology, In future, we'll try to improve the working of our department. And as I am part of the government management, I can tell you on the basis of my experience that success cannot be denied to a deserving person. Every step may not be success, but every failure that gives strength to God's success. I think this is very important, and I am very much thankful again for inviting me for this very important seminar. I thank the management for giving me the opportunity. I wish the three-day conference all the success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I'd like to thank you for enlightening the students on various concepts. The importance of mobility. Yes, we know Pune is the Oxford of East. That's why most of the people from India, as well as people from different countries, come to Maharashtra for studies. Even the new PDS system that we are planning to implement in the near future, we hope that it will be a great success, and we'll also try to contribute from ourselves in whatever way we can. And I also want to assure you that now the students' view regarding the political environment has changed a little bit, and I hope it will change completely with new people joining in the political system and good people working like you in the government of Maharashtra as well as government of India. Now, I'd like to thank Anil Vasantrao Deshmukh sir for giving a wonderful speech to the students.